Today I'm gonna talk about application SALMON. Let's go through it. Sharing and annotating learning material online. So as you can see, here is the layout for our collection. They're all PDF files, links that added previously to the SALMON. For example, I'm now clicking on this PDF file. So it's a default PDF that we set on the SALMON. So as you can see, I can click on the annotations and even I can reply as a private and a public to this user. This truck mirror is like this, for example, and then I can do it as a public and a private post. So it's a public post with this user. Even I can log out and change my user. For example, create an account. 1, 2, 3, 4. Create, and then click 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to log in. So go back technology, and I can add new post here. This is new user. So even I can capture screenshot, for example, this part, and then write something about this part of the lecture material or learning material. So users can, as we mentioned in the presentation, user can add or find some recommendation about this learning material. First of all, we check some tags here. Here's about human behavior. I can say, for example, LOM, because somehow it's related to this semantic linking. Let's check some external links that related to this PDF files. Even user can watch the video and learning objects inside of the
care, right? So I decided to see, cool, does anyone else care about this topic? And it turns out that a lot of you did. So I spent the next 8 months of my life on the server, and you feel that pain all the time.
So let's go back to the collection. Here, this collection is of angular momentum and has one PDF file that we call as PDF core here. Here's all the tags of these collections, but because this is just single collection, we have just illustrate the tags of angular momentum. I want to add another PDF core, for example, this one. Let's check it first. So this is about gravitational wave. So they're all yellows belong to the same category. There is a standard that's set by the authors of these files. Also, it's set by the administration of the archive.org. So let's go back to Salmon. Go to annotator. Let's add this one. This is for first time, and you can see it takes a while to extract the text and then analyzing via API, then we will receive the tags in the front end. Meanwhile, oops, they're coming. So they're about physical science, LEGO, and these are our tags. I can add, for example, black hole here also. Then OK. So let's check the card bar, the recommended link about the black hole. So users can discuss about these links, even they can add their own experience. This first card is generated from one of these tags. Always, it's like kind of random card, randomly choosing one of these tags, and these cards are sorted by the SALMON system according to their ranks, and the user can change the rank or pin the files for their private area. I will show it later. So let's gravitational wave. So I'm interested in that area. I want to add one link for myself or to sharing with other students. Gravitational waves. Just Google. Want to find some links that really related. For example, this one looks interesting. I just copy this text and the URL, and then go back to the Salmon. Then I add this one. So I expect that the card should be generated. As we can see, the card is now here. Other users can discuss about this card also. And each time the users change the tags, the first generated tags are the tags that generate the recommended cards. In the future, we can add more features. For example, for each tag, we can have new card, or even for each annotation, we can get the text and then generate the card. So let's go to the collection, and so the BBH is here. There was no concat at this moment, so the threshold was higher than the first one. Let's go and add another PDF file, for example this one. It's about supermassive black holes and dark halo. Just wait for tags. These are tags that are coming. Go back to collection. So as you can see, this new PDF file is related to angular momentum and BBH, both of them. But and then we have some kind of merging the tags also here. We can see a dark matter BBH here, and gravitational wave should be also among these tags. Let's go back and then check the tags. Baric dark matter, yeah, gravitational waves, angular momentum, black hole, bridge. So you can see we have sharing tags also.